Kaseng All India Trinamool Congress haka kharwai tre ukalaling kor arja apulai kalapanmi pajba ya ka Jingrwai election jongka ka bakerteng Hoi Kiw haka TMC haka ni kasngi bapalai pajba ya ni ka Jingrwai lai don lang MP jongka TMC u Derek O'Brien.
And Meghalaya TMC has always believed in empowering the people, upholding the traditional culture, and celebrating the sacred land. Our campaign song resonates with these cherished ideals and embodies the hope and aspirations of every single resident of Meghalaya. Now, to be very brief, through this song, we would like to celebrate the grandeur of the musical legacy of our state, the brilliance of our musical instruments, and the wondrous talent of the artists of Meghalaya.
We are here in a very humble way. We believe we're running a good campaign. We believe that we have a very good team. We have a very good leadership here. So let the people of Meghalaya decide, and that's the way to go forward. Not big talk, not negative talk. We have a very clear plan for the state, which has been clearly articulated in what we plan to do. So I don't think this is the time for big talk. This is the time to go to the people, bow our heads down to the people of Meghalaya. They are the people who will decide.